Hello and welcome to the section of the course dedicated to making your smartphone less addictive. The goal is to organize your phone, limit notifications, and turn it into a productivity tool rather than a distraction. These tips were extremely beneficial to me. So don't worry to just pause the video when I say something to do and follow my instructions in the videos. You've got nothing to lose. I won't make the video too long because practices will take you longer time today, so I'll get straight to it. Firstly, examine your phone's apps carefully. It's time to remove any apps that you no longer need or use. Your phone should be a productivity tool, not a collection of apps that take up your time and attention. Take your phone, go to Phone Settings, then find App List, and ask one by one. Do this app add anything to my life? Do I make frequent use of it? Uninstall anything that isn't helping. This could be games, shopping apps, or entertainment apps. It will take some time, but it is very useful. Do not be afraid to uninstall apps that you currently use but that do not bring you any value. You can always reinstall them and you may find that you don't need them at all. Now stop the video and do it. If you're done, we can continue. Now, reorganize the remaining app icons. The placement of the icon on your screen can influence your likelihood of opening the app. It is more difficult to click on an icon if it is in a folder and on another screen. Adding some friction to the process can help to discourage mindless app usage. You can do it in the same way that I did in this example. On your home screen, keep only valuable tools. On the second screen, keep in folders apps that you can't uninstall like email, calendar, and messages. And on the final page, organize your most addictive apps into folders. Don't forget about the menu bar. There are apps that we always have on our minds, so carefully consider which apps you will put here. Stop now and do it. If you are finished, we can continue with the social media audit. We frequently follow people we don't know, which is why it's sometimes a good idea to go through the list of people you follow, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or anywhere else, and see if you really want to follow all of them. Because even if we aren't aware of it, they frequently have an impact on us. So, unfollow any accounts, pages, or groups that do not provide genuine value, even celebrities that do not motivate you. It will take some time, but try to go through all of your social networks and clean up your list of people you follow. Before we continue with this course, I challenge you to take action. Spend some time today removing digital clutter from your life. This is an important step in regaining control of your digital world. Please, it is for you, not for me.